Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am Tanvi teacher from Toddledom School. Today I am going to take nursery class and I am going to teach you all today about letter H. Letter H. H is the letter in the alphabet and letter H is a consonant. And letter H is a consonant. Letter H has a sound. H says H, H, H. Come on children, repeat after me. Letter H has a sound and H says H, H, H. Hello everybody. Can you say hello? Hello starts with letter H, which makes the sound H. H. Hello makes the sound H. H says H, H, hello. Now wave your hands in the air. Hands also begins with letter H. H says H, H, hands. Now we are going to touch our three parts of our body which begins with sound H, which starts with the letter H. So are you all ready? Okay, so take your hands and touch your head. Head. Now take your hands and touch your heart. Heart. Now take your hands and touch your hips. Hips. H says head. H says heart. H says hips. H says hands. Words, listen to the H sound. H, H, H. Capital H. Small h. H says H. H says H. Hat. H says H. Helicopter. H says H. Honeybee. H says H. Horn. H says H. Hen. H says H. Hospital. H says H. 100. H says H. Hill. H says H. Horse. H says H. Heart. H says H. House. H says H. Hot. Let us revise the words again. Hat, helicopter, honeybee, horn, hen, hospital, 100, hill, horse, heart, house, hot. Now children, do you all know what is this? This is a Play-Doh. Do you all know now what we are going to do of this? We are going to make letter H of it. So, first we will make 3 parts of this plate. Now, here we have 3 parts of our Play-Doh. 1, 2 and 3. Now, we are going to roll this Play-Doh. Roll, 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 roll. Roll, 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 roll. Roll it like me. See, can you all see? And what we made here? 1 standing line. Now another one. Again you have to roll, 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 roll. Roll, 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 roll. And what can you see here? Another standing line. Now again we are going to roll this Play-Doh little bit. Roll, 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 roll. And we will keep this small. So can you see here? Letter H. 1 standing line, another standing line, 1 small slipping line in middle is letter H. Again, standing line, another standing line and 1 small slipping line in middle is letter H. That's all for today. I hope you all have enjoyed learning letter H today. Now, you all have to find the objects at your home which starts with letter H, which begins with the sound. Practice this sound at your home. Till that, bye-bye. Stay in, stay safe.